Hello, join us for the Leadership Development Committee's Food for Thought Book Club on the last Thursday of every month at 5:30 p.m. The committee will lead an engaging conversation where you will be given the opportunity to learn and share business techniques that will help you expand your skill set as a successful real estate professional. The book club is a great place to learn about Bay East leadership opportunities and also possibly finding your place in real estate. So register for our next book club on Thursday, September 30th at 5:30 p.m. You don't have to read the book to join in on the fun. So hope to see you there.